Hebrews 11:6.
That's right. Amen.
There really ought to be a sign upon my heart. Don't judge me yet, there's an unfinished part. But I'll be perfect just according to His plan. Mastered by the Master's loving hand. He's still working on me to make me what I ought to be. It took Him just a week to make the moon and the stars, sun and earth and Jupiter and Mars. How lovely and patient He must be. He's still working on me. Deuteronomy 6:18. And thou shalt do that which is right and good in the sight of the Lord, that it may be well with thee. Deuteronomy 6:18. Ask and it shall be given, seek and ye shall find, knock and it shall be opened unto you. Open in God's time. Ye have not because ye ask not. So ask and seek and find. For the Lord gives good things in His time. No, Jacob, push me off.